Hey, baby. Uh-oh, you turned your bowl upside down. Who's that? That's Mowgli and Ariel and Belle. Oh, we got tug-of-war going on here. That's Jackson and Aurora. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's Jasmine? There she is. Hey, Jasmine. Hey, little girl. Jasmine. Hi. Hi, Jasmine. Oh. Who's over there? That's Belle. Hey, Belle. Belle's got the toy. That's Aurora. Getting. Who are you getting over there? Oh, Jasmine's upside down. Go, Jasmine, go, Jasmine. There's Aurora. What a pretty girl. Hi, Aurora. Hi, baby. Belle's got the stick. Jackson's got the grass. No. What's Stinky doing over there? Who's that? Jackson. Hey, Jackson. I'm sorry, buddy. I can't hold you from this side. What? Who's talking to me? Hey, Jackson. I got puppies jumping. Who's that over there? That's Aurora over there. And let's see who's here. That's Mowgli. And let's see who we can get. You want to follow me? Can't follow me. I can't take pictures of you. What are you doing over there? That's, oh, how cute. Justin. What's this little trio? Hey, Jasmine. Hey, little girl. There's 4 puppies to a rope over there. See if I can get it. Oh, how cute. Oh, are they all gonna get in? I think they are. It's a 6 puppy tug. And who walks away? Belle! Belle's got it! Hey, Jackson! Jackson! Hi, buddy! Let's see, who's got the rope? I think Jasmine's got it. Oh, Jasmine, hi! get him. Hey, Jazz. You got the purple monkey? Mowgli. That's Belle. Jackson running around. Oh. That's Jasmine again. Jasmine, you keep getting toys. What are you two doing? Oh, Mowgli's got in the bunch now. He's in there. Oh, he has a big toy. Jasmine's taking on the boys. And Lavender Girl has got the rope. You got that rope, little girl. You're not a cow. What are you doing? Yeah, Mowgli's got it. You guys are funny.